G'day, I'm Bruce McIntosh, TACC State Manager. One of the most important things we do here at TACC is employ apprentices and place them in your workshops. Currently, TACC Auto Apprenticeships employs 87 apprentices and we're targeting 100. They're all out there working in businesses ranging from mechanical repair workshops, that's cars, motorcycles and heavy vehicles, and body repair centres. Part of TACC Auto Apprenticeship success and why our completion rate is much higher than the national average is that we employ field managers who visit apprentices and their employers in workshops to ensure everything is going well and everyone's happy. TACC sources the apprentice. We conduct the medical checks, complete all the paperwork and pay their wages. It works really well and is something the team is incredibly proud of. We've just employed a new field manager, Dallas Harding, who looks after the north of the state. He joins Nigel Fox, who oversees the south. Securing the future's automotive workforce is vital, and it's just one of the many things we do for TACC members. I'll be in touch via this newsletter once a month, so look out for it. In the meantime, get in touch and let me know what I can do for you.